This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Denise Doon. Welcome to this beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home in Street Petersburg, featuring an open floor plan with beautiful natural lighting throughout. Showcasing modern farmhouse decor, this residence has been thoughtfully renovated over the last 4 years with upgrades that have been tastefully and professionally completed. Major improvements include a new roof, updated HVAC, new kitchen, modern flooring, new appliances, new washer and dryer, upgraded insulation, fresh interior paint, newer fencing, and a French drain for proper water management. The home has also been professionally termite-tented for added peace of mind. Step outside to a landscaped backyard in your private oasis featuring a saltwater fiberglass pool installed in 2019 and a new sprinkler system. Located on a quiet dead-end street, the property offers exceptional convenience with a sidewalk leading directly to Rio Vista Park and walking distance to local shopping and restaurants. Outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate easy access to the bike trail leading to downtown Street Pete and Sawgrass Park, and the home is just minutes from Weeden Island Preserve, perfect for kayaking, paddle adventures, and nature exploration. This home blends comfort, efficiency, and coastal-inspired living, ideal for everyday enjoyment and effortless entertaining. Truly a must-see in a highly desirable Riviera location. For more information,